Hey guys, it's Tyler here at Westcott Designs. Today we're going to be installing our new Low Pro roof rack onto a 2025 6th Gen 4Runner. In our kit there are 10 crossbars. One of them is already pre-assembled in our visor. Along with that will be 2 side rails, also including 6 brackets and 8 spacers in total. Lastly, we have 2 bottle openers and the rest of our hardware kit. So these are the tools that you're going to need to install this roof rack. The first one is razor blade or knife, either or, a ratchet of some sort, a 4mm Allen, a 3/16 Allen, a 13mm socket, and a 13mm and a 12mm wrench. And lastly, silicone. So when it comes to our side rails, there are these tiny slits and these big slits. When we install our cross rails, you want to put these through there. And then you want to grab your 4mm Allen on a ratchet and just tighten those up. Not snug, you want them snug, but not all the way tight yet. When you get to the end of your roof rack, make sure to install your bottle opener, which, same thing, Allens will go right through. So now that we've already done one side, we're going to do the exact same to the other side. So now we have all 9 of our crossbars assembled and snug. We are now going to put on our visors. And the only reason why we do it last is because it makes it a lot easier to assemble the entire roof rack. For our last step, we are going to be installing our brackets under our roof rack, and as you can see here, it goes front to rear. We are now going to tighten all the bolts that we just now made snug. So now that we are done assembling our roof rack, we are now going to disassemble the OEM roof rack off of the 6th Gen. So step 1 to taking off the OEM 6th Gen roof rack, we need to take off these plastic covers. And in order to do that, we need to have a plastic trim removal tool. So now that we're done with this side, we're going to move on to the next side. So now that we are done taking off the caps to the OEM roof rack, we are now going to be taking off the 12mm bolts on both sides. So once all the bolts are removed, you're going to want to grab a friend and then they're going to help you take the OEM roof rack off. So now that we have all the bolts taken out of the OEM roof rack, we are now going to place in our spacers and we're going to line the perimeter of the hole where the bolts were with silicone. So when putting the roof rack on, you may need some taller friends and a couple rags to protect the car. So now that we have the roof rack on the car, we are now going to be installing the stock bolts that came with the original OEM roof rack. So now that we have our roof rack installed on the vehicle, we are going to grab our front two brackets with the adhesive on the bottom, and we are going to make cutouts on them on the weather stripping so that these can fit in their spots. We can lift our weather stripping up and lift it all the way so where you can stick the adhesive on the vehicle, and you can also line up the holes of where they go. So now that we have made our cutout for our bracket, we can now remove the adhesive and place it right where we'd made our cutout. So now that we have the roof rack installed on the vehicle, we can now align it to your liking and tighten down all the bolts. Well, this is the end of how to install our new Low Pro roof rack on our 6th Gen 4Runner. If you guys like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Comment, like, and subscribe.